Hello there, I am Kerry Sanson and I am a holistic health coach, and I am going to be taking you through today the meditation and the sound. So we may know as OM, but the original sound is actually AUM. And what I love about this practice, and I've been doing it a long time with my yoga teacher, but thinking about it in a way of how it actually affects our body. So we make the sound ah, which comes from the belly, ooh, which comes from the chest, and which comes from the face. And by doing this practice, it helps to get us back into our bodies. Because of the way life is and it's so stressy and we're thinking in our heads all the time, it can really bring the attention away from correct breathing. And correct breathing being we're breathing with the whole of the body. And then when we get anxious or we're in the head, we get this sharp, short breaths into the chest, which cause anxiety. So we get more anxious the more we breathe up here, and then the tension can come into the head and the head feel overwhelmed. So by practicing the breath, we're practicing bringing the breath deep into the body and having that sense of grounding into the body. And we're bringing it from this core into the heart center and then up into the head, creating more clarity, and you have this beautiful energy flow that comes from down all the way up rather than just all here. So with that in mind, let's give it a go. So we are going to break it down into the different sections and then put the whole thing together. So let's just bring ourselves into our space. So you can sit cross-legged if cross-legged's comfortable for you. If not, sit on a chair. Just in a position where you can sit with your back straight, and however that feels for you. Cross-leg is traditionally used because it kind of creates this triangle posture, but you don't want your body to become a problem whilst you're practicing this. You want to be in as a relaxed position, an upright, relaxed position as possible, in an upright, relaxed position as possible. So do whatever that is for you. So let's take a breath in. So breathing in. And as you breathe out, relax your shoulders. Taking another deep breath. Relaxing your shoulders and finding the seats beneath you. Taking in another deep breath. Relaxing the shoulders, finding the seat beneath you, and just coming into your space and just bringing an awareness to your breath. How and where are you breathing from? And just notice if you can identify if it's up in the chest or it's in the belly, if it's very shallow or very deep. So we're just an awareness, not a judgment, just seeing what's there. Just taking a few more breaths here, just to bring us into our space, just to get grounded. And we're going to bring one hand onto the belly or just below the navel, this lower dantian energy center here. And the sound we're going to make, the first sound of the is the ah. So the jaw wants to be nice and relaxed. And remember, when we're doing these chanting sounds, is that we're not singing. We want to not think about what it sounds like so much, but more where you can feel it in your body. So hand on below the belly button. We're going to do 3 ahs. So let's take a breath in. So visualizing, obviously the sound is coming from the mouth here, but we're visualizing that resonance in the belly. And now coming up to the chest. This is easier to feel because we can feel the vibration in the lungs. So visualizing the sound is coming from here. So we're going to make the ooh sound. So let's take 3 breaths. Ooh. Sound in the chest. And then the third sound, the sound, you want to feel this in your neck and in your face and your whole head, vibrating with that for mother sound, and feel that in the whole head. Let's give that a go. Taking a breath. Resonance in the head. So now we're going to join the 3 sounds together. The AUM. We want to try and get equal sounds in the full breath that you have. So we're going to do this 7 times. If you are breathing longer or shorter than how I'm doing it, that's absolutely fine. We'll just overlap. But I want you to focus on that sound traveling from the belly to the chest, into the head. So really focus inwards. We need some visualization with this, of this sound resonating through the body. So let's begin. Taking in a breath. Just continue to breathe gently, noticing how that resonance is in the body, how that feels in the body. You've given yourself a sound healing, and that sound vibrating the cells in the body, calming down the nervous system. Perhaps noticing now where you're breathing from, if it feels a little bit more relaxed, without placing any judgment on it. You can perhaps feel the breath coming up from the belly still, up the chest, into the head, and maybe following the microcosmic orbit, so that breath coming up the back of the body and then cascading down the front of the body. Let's take one more breath here. And then rubbing the hands together. Massaging the face. Massaging the ears. Gently massaging down the neck, all the way down, giving the belly a rub. This helps us to ground us and bring us back. How does that feel? Let me know in the comments how you got on with this practice. And if you would like more practices like this, please subscribe and follow and share and join in. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.